A warm good morning to one and all gathered here. I am Abhirami from Indian International School studying in 9th A. I'm going to talk about the topic school education today and tomorrow. Okay, fine. I will first start by asking a simple question. Do we all know what is the difference between education and learning? Well, I guess not many of us know the difference. Learning is a thing we muck up things, but education is where we learn to use the knowledge we read in books into practical life. Nelson Mandela has said education is the most powerful weapon in our world. But in my case, I think education is a thing which gives me freedom to make my own life. I think we all here know about the famous speech of Malala Yousafzai, the youngest to win a Nobel Peace Prize. Her famous speech, a teacher, a student, a pen, and a paper can change the world. I think I will go by her curve. First, let me start by saying how is education today. Everything has its own merits and demerits. Let me start with the merits because I think it should be started with the sweetest thing. Education today can be of many other things, can teach us so many things. 200 years before, a general named Mountbatten told Indians were barbarians who don't know how to use things, that they don't know about practical life, they depend on superstitious things. But today it's different. I can say with proud today, 200 years after it, that I am an Indian and I know everything. I know what knowledge you have and the same I have too. Also, our education today is mentored with technology. It gives us everything. Today there is a student who doesn't know what is Facebook or what is WikiHow, but I'm doubting it after 5 years who will know about WikiHow. Because education is changing each and every day. Okay, let's come to the demerits of education. There are so many demerits in education, like it goes upon stresses as in knowledge-based questions. It seems like there is a student who doesn't choose an engineering or doctor out of 5 students in a class. To be truthful, I want to be a doctor, but today I am thinking about the competition. How can I become a doctor? We have to write so many JEETs and IITs. How can I become a doctor? Today education implies in different things. We think education as we read in books that this is it. We have to know what is amoeba, what it does. We don't want to know why it is important in our environment, what it does to our ecosystem. Well, let's go to the next thing, education tomorrow. I will give an example by starting it. I know a person whose name is Ram Gopal. He's a big student. He's just a small, 7-age kid who goes into a competition and wins an award for preparing the best software. Can we believe it? No. I will let you an example in my own life. Today morning while I was preparing to come here, I had a problem with my tab. I was like, what the hell, doesn't it work now? And my sister was like, Didi, you don't know it, I will do it. This is the education tomorrow. My sister is in just first standard and she knows how to operate computer and tabs. She knows how to access internet and what to search and what to not. We can only hope the education tomorrow can be more better than what we have today. It can be more determining in the fact to achieve our dreams. The education today doesn't allow us to achieve our dreams as it makes us goes into a cell where only education into 2 ways. One is by the education we choose or the education we want forced into. The education we choose is okay, if you want to become a doctor, you can become. But in the education we are forced to use to prepare for our future, we are forced to choose between professions which we don't like. We all know a proverb that like what you do and do what you like. But today, in the practical life today we are living, it can be put into practice because of the education system. I can only hope that tomorrow brings us more brightness than we have today. That tomorrow develops our country. Tomorrow country makes into a developed country category and makes us proud of it. And thank you.